What's going on, everybody? My name is Seth and welcome back to another YouTube video on 252 Squad. And in today's video, we're going to be ricing out, aka slamming my 9th gen Accord even lower than what it is right now. It needs to go a little bit lower. So we're going to be rolling the fenders, possibly pulling them a little bit, and then maxing out the coilovers, taking out the front ender fender liners and everything like that. So without further ado, let's get started. So this right here is the main reason I want to roll these fenders. As you can see, this lip right here on the inner edge is really close to the tire. Almost can't even fit my hand in there. You can even see where it's starting to the sidewall there. So yeah, they definitely need to be rolled as far as the rears go. But if you come around to the fronts and look, I have the camber adjustment plates in the fronts turned a little bit, but you can see the tire's about even right here with the fender well. So I'm gonna have to roll that one a little bit too, and then probably see if I can get a little bit more adjustment out of the top camber plates. Other than that though, should be set. So let's get started. All right, to start, we got this nice fancy wheel fender roller that Nate's got. So I'm just gonna bolt this onto the car using the lug nuts like this, and then maybe I'll be able to lower it down and get it adjusted. So it actually turns out my coilovers are too low as it is to fit the fender roller in there. So right now I'm about to just turn the coilovers like this until I can get the suspension pushed down far enough to get up into this fender lip right here with the fender roller. As you can see, now the coilovers adjusted, got the plates on, the lug nuts, so it's all seated in. And then I've got the head set up to where I want it to be. Just a little bit of an angle. You don't want to start pushing this far out too much when you first start off. Just that way you don't crack the paint. And now I'm going to take the heat gun, add a bunch of heat to it, and then go ahead and start rolling. So let's get to the time lapse of that. All right, so I just finished the passenger rear. As you can see, this is what the roll looks like. Just a little lip in there. Didn't really roll it too hard. Don't really want to mess up the fenders much. If you can see right through here, you see it's pretty evenly lined up. This one I don't think I did as good a job on. Started it at first. You can kind of see the rears poked out a little bit more than the front. And then I had a rock chip like right on this crease line here. You could probably see it somewhat, but it messed it up. It kind of like buckled a little bit there from rolling it. But it's a little wavy, but not as bad. It's the wheel bolted on. Well, not even bolted on, but that's where it's sitting right now. A little bit higher than what it was back when it was on the ground before maxing out the coils. But now I'm going to max out the coils and slam it and see what it looks like now. So actually didn't need to roll the front fenders at all because this is as low as the rears will go. But that's what it looks like now with the rolled fenders. As you can see, there's no longer really a lip up in there to really catch on the tire at all. And yeah, it's looking pretty good. It's a little bit lower of a view for you. Sitting about even all the way around on the car now. And as you can see, there's no exhaust now underneath the car because there's going to be a new exhaust system getting put on this car later, but not in this video. But that's what it's going to look like now. I'm going to get it cleaned up, and we're going to go to a meet later tonight. So stay tuned for that and see some reactions. So guys, it's early in the morning and I'm at work now. And as you can see, the car's been lowered even just a little bit lower. No longer rubs in the back now that the fenders are rolled back there. And it looks a lot better to me being like that compared to where it was before. So I thank you guys very much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of y'all's day, and peace out.